Hello guys, today we prepare a PUDDICA, another recipe from the south of Italy, from Apulia. It's a kind of focaccia. You need 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, 10 olives without the stone that I have already cut into 2 teaspoons of capers. I will use the one that I harvest in Greece, and half teaspoon of oregano. But you need to prepare also the dough. This morning I take 500 grams of flour, 280 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of sugar, and naturally the bread yeast. I use half teaspoon of dry yeast. Now, after 1 hour, we can take our dough, we oil the pot, and we put our dough inside. After, we should wait 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will cut the tomatoes in two. I will dip inside. I will add the olives, the capers, the oregano, and the sea salt, the one in big pieces. And after, we bake in the oven preheated at 230 Celsius degree for 20-30 minutes. So see you at the end for the tasting. After 22 minutes at 230 Celsius degree, our focaccia is ready. Now I put on the border, I cut it, and I will taste for you. So see you for the tasting. If you eat warm, it's perfect. Be careful not to burn your mouth. Spectacular, especially warm, full of extra virgin olive oil, and with the salt in the big grain that melt in the mouth. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. For any request, down in the comments. Bye bye. spectacular.